Oh my god. The Vivo S1 scores a magnificent 88 out of 100, and it is one of the best options to go for around this price range. Want to know more? Stick around till the end of the video. Hello friends, today we have brought you a new phone, the Vivo S1 Pro. It was released on 4th of January in an official release event by Vivo. Today we will go through the detailed specs of the Vivo S1 Pro, and at the end of the video, see if the Vivo S1 Pro justifies the price of 19,990 rupees. The Vivo S1 Pro is available in 3 color variants on Flipkart: Dreamy White, Jazzy Blue and Mystic Black. I personally prefer the Dreamy White color. You can find the links to buy this phone in the description. Let us look at the detailed specifications with respect to 5 parameters: performance, display, camera, battery, storage and other features. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us get started. Performance. Let us now look at the performance of the device. The smartphone is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC coupled with Adreno 610 GPU. The processors manage the overall performance of the system. These are accompanied by 8 GB RAM that makes handling multiple tasks easy. Overall, the Vivo S1 Pro scores a respectable 77 out of 100 when it comes to performance. Display. Talking about the display, the Vivo S1 Pro flaunts a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display, which has a pixel density of 404 ppi. It results in a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. As the display is AMOLED, it leads to true black color, leading to reduced battery consumption and crisper image quality. Overall, the display of the Vivo S1 Pro scores 79 out of 100. Camera. Talking about another important characteristic of a smartphone, the camera. The S1 Pro main camera delivers 48 megapixel super clarity, while the other 3 cameras cover wide angle, macro and bokeh needs for almost every scene. The triple camera setup consists of 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel lenses. The 48 megapixel main camera has a half-inch sensor supported by a large f1.8 aperture for super light sensitivity. The special super night mode makes the night capturing even better. The 8 megapixel super wide angle camera expands your frame to 120 degrees. The macro lens of the S1 Pro comes handy when taking close-up shots to capture details. S1 Pro's AIS feature gives you ultra-steady videos, which helps you capture super clean videos even if your hands are shaking. At the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie shooter which is powered by AI that helps in super cool and crystal clear selfies. I know everyone is waiting for this. The Vivo S1 Pro scores a respectable 75 out of 100 when it comes to camera. Battery. Now let us talk about the battery of the Vivo S1 Pro. Acting as the stamina provider, there is a 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery, which provides long hours of backup. When it's time to recharge, Vivo's exclusive 18-watt dual-engine fast charging technology recharges it at super fast speeds. With all these features and a 2-day battery, the Vivo S1 Pro scores an outstanding 86 out of 100. Storage. The Vivo S1 comes with a 128 GB inbuilt storage, which helps to store a lot of files and documents in it. The storage can be further expanded up to 256 GB by using a memory card. Other features. Vivo S1 Pro comes with a lot of other cool features like the in-display fingerprint sensor, dark mode, game mode for smooth gaming experience and always-on display, which is becoming a trend nowadays. Final verdict. Let us wrap up this video with the final verdict. The Vivo S1 is a great smartphone in the mid-range price segment. The cameras are great to capture quality images and also can record quality videos. It has a good configuration that assures a flawless performance. The device also comes with a good battery backup and massive storage. Overall, the Vivo S1 scores a magnificent 88 out of 100, and it is one of the best options to go for around this price range. Hope you liked the video. If you want any other info in regard to the Vivo S1 Pro, please comment below.